It's me, Chantel, the magical tour guide, back with another hotel review. I am staying at the Courtyard Marriott here in Anaheim. It is across the street from Disneyland. I'm going to show you the new rooms. They've remodeled the rooms, the lobby, the bistro. It's so great. I'm excited to come stay. I have stayed here before. One of the great perks of staying here is the water park that they have. They've got water slides, pool. It's so amazing. So let's go ahead and check in, and then I'm going to show you the new rooms, and I'm going to show you while I'm here how close it is to Disneyland, how close the walk is, and why this is such a great property to stay at. Here's the Courtyard Marriott, and there is the water park. I will be showing you that. We're going to go head over there. We're going to check in, but I wanted to show you just right here how close we are to Disneyland. Let's go check in at the Courtyard. I'm so excited to be back. This entire hotel has been remodeled since the last time I stayed here, and it looks just so like chic and just nice, like neutral colors. They've redone so many things, including the rooms and the lobby area. The bistro's new. So I'm excited to stay here and check it all out and share with you everything that we're going to be exploring while we're here. This hotel is located directly across the street. Like literally you could go out there and you can see the monorail. That's Disneyland right out there. I'll show you as I'm staying here, but I love the convenience of being so close to Disneyland. The Courtyard is a beautiful hotel. It smells so good in here too. Start with a room tour here at the Courtyard. I'm so excited to be here. Now I have stayed here before, but they have remodeled the room since, and so I'm going to show you guys everything. First of all, right here as you come in, there's this nice big space for any of your luggage or a stroller or whatever you need in that space. Let's start right here. There's a bathroom, and one of the best features of this hotel is you have a shower here. So you got your tub shower, okay? And then you have a nice bright bathroom. Hello. 2 sinks. And then this door right here behind this door, behind door number 2, is another shower. That's right, you have 2 showers here. So 2 people can be getting ready. This is really great for bigger, larger families that come and stay here because you can actually have a lot of people in this room. I'll show you in just a second. But I love this remodel. It just looks nice and fresh, clean, bright. And again, this door closes here. There's your tub. And then this door also closes as well. Over here we have a big, giant closet. I'm gonna say everything's big. Everything is bigger here at the Courtyard. The rooms are bigger, the space is bigger, the closet, like you have an actual full-size closet here. Awesome. You've got an ironing board, you've got a safe, okay? Then right here, this is kind of where you've got some extra things. You have a microwave behind this door, which is so nice. And then this is your beverage cooler right there. Okay, so your mini fridge, and then they also have a coffee maker, a Keurig coffee maker, storage right here. So again, there's just lots of storage. There's plenty of space for all the people you're gonna have in this room. You've got storage here, nice place to like put things, desk, TV. Then you have this is the 2 queen room. Most of the bedrooms or the rooms here at the Courtyard are 2 queen rooms. Okay, so you're gonna see you've got new carpet, new painting, new decor. Back over here, we've got a new print on the wall. So here's the rest of the room. So this is a 2 queen room. So you can sleep 1, 2, 3, 4. You have this little breakfast nook kind of area right here, which is really nice. Okay, then look at these. You have bunk beds. Now, the thing about these bunk beds is I have actually laid in this bunk bed, and you can fit, an adult can fit in there. So 6 people can fit in this room. So the room is it's just so like big. Like, I don't know if you could actually see like how big and spacious this room is for a room across the street from Disneyland, no less. We are located right across the street from Disneyland. I'll show you that. The views out my bedroom or my room in just a second. So here we go. This is the big, nice, remodeled room here at the Courtyard. Not only do I love the rooms, I love that they're refurbished and they're nice and clean and bright and new, but check out, I am in a room that's right here by the water park. This is the awesome water park that I'll show you later in the video, But this is the Surfside Waterpark here at the Courtyard. This is included with your stay. And across there, can you see that track? That's the track for the monorail, because right over there is Disneyland. We are literally across the street from Disneyland. What's better than a nice, beautiful room across the street from a Disneyland is a connection so that you can get a discount on said room. My travel partners, Getaway Today, they always offer discounts on rooms and theme park tickets. And I'm here to tell you that if you call 855-GETAWAY, mention Magical Tour Guide, they will let you know what the special is, how you can get this particular room across the street from Disneyland, and you can come and stay here. And you can come and enjoy this water park right here. Oh, it's so much fun. I've come with my family before. We have enjoyed the water park. And I'm telling you, staying here is like, you're like right here, so close to the magic. You don't have to worry about, okay, I gotta have a car. They do have parking if you wanna bring your car. But the nice thing is you're so close, so like you can come back and take breaks. It is an amazing hotel. The location definitely sells this hotel. And it's one that books out, so you definitely wanna make sure you call ahead of time and be like, okay, all right, Chantel from the Magical Tour Guide said that I could call, I could get room rates for the Courtyard and stay in this beautiful room. Right there, you see those spires? That is Space Mountain. I am right across the street from Disneyland. Way off there in the distance, that is the Pixar Place Hotel with all the yellow and blue and red lights. And then this is the fun water park that I'll do a video. You can see how much fun it is. Such a great spot. Anyway, quick, easy walk back from, we just watched World of Color, and now I'm off to bed for rope drop early in the morning. Down here in the lobby at the Courtyard, and right over there, I just ordered me some breakfast. They have a bistro here. They have lots of seating. I'm getting a bagel. They've got like breakfast sandwiches and muffins and all sorts of things. And then they also have like a coffee shop. I'll show you that. So in the morning, if you need something before you head to the parks, which you should get something, definitely stop here at the bistro. For my Starbucks fans, they have a Starbucks right here. And you come in here into the Calm Coffee and you can grab breakfast here as well in the morning, and it's a nice grab and go. So here's Calm Coffee here just right next to the lobby. I'm just gonna enjoy my bagel here just before I head off to the parks, and I got it right here in the lobby, and then we're gonna head out there. We took a quick walk over to Disneyland just down harbor. It was about a 5-minute walk. There's the monorail, and like I mentioned earlier, we are right across the street from Disneyland, staying here at the Courtyard. So we just walked back from Disneyland, a quick like 6-minute walk. We're gonna go right over here. This is Mimi's, which is a great restaurant if you're looking for a restaurant. There's the Courtyard sign. And then right here we are back at the Courtyard. Love staying at the Courtyard. It is so very close to the parks. And I love the refurbished new rooms that they've got, and look at the water park right there. If I really wanted to, we could go hang out, the pool, do the water park, but I'm really coming back because I love the convenience of being right here, close to come take a rest. Let's explore around in the lobby, which is new. They just renovated the entire hotel, top to bottom. They have a little office center here if you need to print stuff, quick print. This is where you check in. Over here, they've got some really fun Mickey artwork. And then I wanted to show you there's cartoons going on. So when you're checking in, or if you need to like wait after you've checked out or whatever. Anyway, they've got new lobby area. And then back over here, so they have a little market. The market is open 24/7. And then back over here, they've got a new giant area. It's like for eating. So like if you need to they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. They've got lots of spaces to eat. So you can buy stuff over there at the market, or the bistro, I should say. Let's go take a look at the menu and kind of see some of the things that they offer, and then we'll take a look at the gift shop. Here at the bistro, they actually have quite a few options. They've got sandwiches and snacks and just lots of things, afternoon, evening snacks. Then they also have breakfast. They've got morning. So lots of things here and choices. They also have Starbucks menu. So you can grab your stuff here, order it, take it up to your room, or you can eat it here in this area. And here's the menu also here, and you place your order here, and like I said, you can take it to go, you can take it to your room. So they have other grab and go items right here as well. And then they have a full bar right here, full service bar called the Terrace. They also have a really big gift shop here. I really like the gift shop. They have lots of things to choose from. They have all the swim stuff over here because they have the giant water park pool area. They've got some souvenirs, got some stuffies, some clothes if you're looking for some Disney stuff. Now when you come and maybe you forgot, I don't know, toiletries, they've got a bunch of toiletries. Hi! And then they've got more souvenirs over here, some snacks. So just a nice big gift shop area here at the Courtyard. Oh, snacks, yum, drinks. Ooh, they even have some frozen treats. So lots to choose from. Oh, there's some cute hats. All right, more souvenirs. And the gift shop is right here off of the lobby. Really enjoying a break back here in my room. It's been so nice just to be able to walk back across the street from Disneyland and be in my room, be close, get a nice afternoon break, rest, and then be recharged and head back to the parks, and that is my plan. One of the nice things about staying here at the Courtyard and being so close is also that they have a water park, which is great for families. I've actually been down this water slide before. Out here they have like area for the little ones with little slides and things like that. Then over there they have 2 water slides, which are so great. They have a pool, they've got a jacuzzi. You can see all the pool chairs. There's like things just to run around, like it's like a little playground, water playground over there. And then also they have a really tiny shallow pool right there. So this is such a fantastic option here. Now look at this. This is the bucket. You can hear the noise. Can you hear it? It's getting ready to dump. There it goes. Oh, the kids love that. Awesome. Okay, so it's called Surfside Waterpark. These are the views from my room. Now we're going to go down to the 2nd floor and go check out the water park in person. Just got off. We're on level 2. On level 2 is where you're going to find the fitness center and the splash park, or the water park area. I'll show you in just a second. So here we go. Here's the fitness center. I'm just going to show you right here through the window. But they do have a fitness center here. And then I showed you up above from my room, but now I really want to show you what Surfside Waterpark looks like. It is on the 2nd floor here at the hotel. And it's so much fun. I really want to be mindful that there are families out here who are enjoying the pool and the water park. So I'm not going to really film very much. And you do have to have a wristband. They'll give you wristbands when you check in so that they know you're a guest and you can come enjoy the water park on, I don't know, an afternoon or on like your day you come in, however you want to enjoy it. But it really is a fun area and it's unique to this hotel. You have towels. You don't have to bring towels from your room, and they also have restrooms and a drinking fountain back in here. As we walk back to Disneyland, I'm going to show you some of the restaurants and things if you are coming to stay here that are really close by, especially like right here almost in the same parking lot, or actually the same parking lot, is Mimi's Cafe, which is a great option for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Out the parking lot, that right there, my friends, is Space Mountain. We are across the street from Disneyland, so very convenient when you come stay here at the Courtyard. Right down there, that's Mimi's. Here's the Courtyard, and then we're gonna walk down the street here. This is Harbor Boulevard, so right down there, There's a traffic light, and that's where you cross to go to Disneyland. It's super close. As we walk, I just want to show you. So they have a Panera Bread, which again has breakfast, lunch, and dinner, just like I said at Mimi's Cafe. So this is kind of like a sit down. The Mimi's Cafe is a restaurant. This is more of like a quick service here at Panera. And then you've got your McDonald's, where everybody knows that's a McDonald's. What's a McDonald's? So, all right, we're gonna walk down here to that traffic light and then head into Disneyland. Good morning, Disneyland. Across the street from my room. I'm going to miss this view. It's time to say goodbye, but I did want to let you guys know that the beds are fantastic here. I really liked my bed, and that is super important when I'm staying in a hotel. So I wanted to make sure I let you know that the beds here at the Courtyard are very comfortable. Head into the parks for a couple hours, so I'm gonna actually have my bags stored here at the Courtyard. That is something that they will do for you on your checkout day, and then I'll come back and get them when I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna take my luggage, and he's gonna put a tag on it, and they will keep it right here. So it's right outside the front door as you check in at the lobby. This has been very nice as we've come back from the parks. I enjoy that they have this water right here. Always flavored water, so grab water on your way in or out as you come back from the parks, or you're coming into the lobby here at the Courtyard. Thank you, the Courtyard, and to Getaway Today for inviting me to come and check out the new renovated Courtyard across the street from Disneyland. Super impressed. Great beds, had a great time. Love the water park. Wish I'd had more time here, but honestly, it's just steps away from the magic. If you're looking for a hotel that's very close to Disneyland, very comfortable beds, just great amenities and so many things going on here, make sure you check out the link in the description. I will have discounted room rates below. And if you're looking for somewhere to come stay, check out the Courtyard. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other hotel content plus Disney content. I'm always constantly staying and reviewing hotels, and I've had such a great time here. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.